Hey everybody. Hey my Facebook friends. Happy Sunday. I hope you guys are having a great day. It's a little after 5 o'clock in California and it's a little after 8 o'clock. You guys know what time it is. So I thought I would just go live. I was just going to do this in my healthy group, and then I thought, you know what, I'm going to go live on my main page and show you guys how I do a little food prep on Sundays, because it's a great day to just get organized and plan some food for the week, and just get prepped, because I do a lot of like salad parties and I talk a lot about food prep with some of my friends, my healthy friends. And one of the greatest things that people always ask me, or the greatest challenges that they have is how do you eat a healthy all week? And I always say it's preparation. Just being prepared is the best way to do it. So I actually did it. Do I do this every Sunday? No, I definitely don't. So I'm just like everybody else. If we're not prepared with healthy meals and healthy things, then we're not going to have a healthy week of eating. So a bunch of friends and I are going to shred next week. So I wanted to get organized. Oh, hi, Caprice. Hi, Elton. Aw, you're watching my live. So I'm just going to show you guys some of the things that I do. This is very simple. Anyone can do this. And I know a lot of you guys do this, but sometimes it's just nice to see what other people are doing. We get ideas. So I'm going to turn the camera around. I'm going to show you what's cooking here. What's cooking in Lisa's kitchen. Okay. So what's cooking right here. This is so easy to do, you guys. Brussels sprouts, tons. I'm a big roaster. Tons of veggies, and they're going to go in the oven. Then that's easy. Then I already cooked a bunch of rice, and I cooked some chicken. That's for my kids probably. And then over here we're roasting dinner. And then these are my healthy go-to treats that I'm going to have all week long. These are my complete balls. A lot of you guys know I talk about my complete balls. They're super yummy. And then I'm going to put everything in containers tonight. So the chicken, the leftover pork loin that I'm in my crock pot cooking. I'm in my crock pot. I never take out my crock pot, but today I did. And when everything is cooked, I'm going to put it right into my these little containers. And then my kids can take them to lunch. And then my husband and I have an easy lunch. I mean, even though I work from home, if I don't have stuff organized, I'm definitely not going to eat right. I'm just going to snack. I'm going to make unhealthy choices. So what I also did today, I went to the farmer's market and I just got a ton. Whoops, it's about to spill all over. I got a ton of salad. Hi, Julie. Look at my salad. And I prepped it. I have a ton of salad on my tower too, but I eat salad like 3 meals a day. And then you can also like hard boil some eggs if you want to do that. Hope you guys are enjoying this video. I dressed up for you, can't you tell? And then you have all this stuff that's ready. You have your complete balls. I froze. I'm back. You're not going to have all that stuff. I'm not going to eat all that tonight. So then I'll just put it in this containers and then I'll have it as leftovers. So all these ideas I got from my Shred cookbook. Isn't this awesome? This is what inspired me today. So before I went to the farmer's market and the grocery store, I just went through, looked up some things that I want to make this week. Oh, and here's the other thing I'm doing. So I won't show you this. I'm soaking overnight black beans. It's so easy to do this stuff, you guys. I'm soaking overnight. They're not cooked. They're not from the can. And then tomorrow I'm going to make black bean soup because they'll be done. All I have to do is throw in salsa and some onions or whatever. So I hope this helps you. I'm going to forward this to my shred page for all my shredders for tomorrow. We're going to shred this week. And then my healthy page. And it's super simple. It did take a couple hours just chopping it all up in advance. I also have some fresh fruit that I'm going to chop up tonight and just have for my kids. It's just amazing to me, you guys. And I don't know if you find this, moms, but I can shop and have like a packed refrigerator full of things. And my girls will open up the refrigerator and they'll say, Mom, we don't have anything to eat. We have nothing. So because we don't have any, we have some snacks that are in bags and stuff, but we don't have a lot of packaged foods. So this way I'm pre-packaging I got everything in their little containers. And these things too, by the way, you guys, you can order these on Amazon. I mean, I know that they're plastic, but you can take them with you, and you can, you know, if you're into like portion control, you can portion control your food. My daughter ordered them on Amazon. They're very cool. So I see you guys are joining. I hope you find this valuable. It's not too late to food prep. Sometimes we do it after dinner on Sundays. So it's super helpful to do, and it sets you up for a great healthy week ahead. And if you're shredding, come shred with us this week. I'm having one more glass of wine tonight though, so you know, I'm gonna have a little bit more splurge, and then tomorrow I'm gonna be good. Just getting rid of those unhealthy habits. Hi Jill, my friend. I'm talking about food prep because I actually did it today. So I never food prep. I talk about it. People ask me it. And that's it. That's all I got. Oh, no, wait. I got one more thing. Here's a little tip, too. This I can't even pick it up with my bad arm. This I got yesterday at Target. Look at this. This is dessert. I got this at Target. This is red wine cube. Okay? It was on clearance. It was on clearance for $12.58. Okay, I'm not going to have that during my shred, but I bought it because I thought it was funny, and I will try it. So I'll let you know about that. All right, you guys, everybody have a great, healthy week ahead, and thank you for watching, and look forward to seeing some of you guys soon. Bye.